Hey everyone, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to use the midpoint formula to find the exact middle point between 2 points on the coordinate plane. The midpoint formula says the midpoint m equals the quantity x, 1, plus x, 2, divided by 2, comma, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. In other words, you just average the x values and average the y values. That gives you the coordinates of the point that sits exactly halfway between the two. Let's work through an example. Our 2 points are 3, -5, and -7, 11. First, we label our values. From the first point, x1 equals 3 and y1 equals -5. From the second point, x2 equals -7 and y2 equals 11. Now we substitute into the formula. The x-coordinate of the midpoint is 3 plus -7 divided by 2. The y-coordinate is -5 plus 11 divided by 2. Let's simplify. 3 plus -7 is -4. -4 divided by 2 is -2. That is our x-coordinate. -5 plus 11 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. That is our y-coordinate. So the midpoint is -2, 3. If you plot the original 2 points on the coordinate plane and then plot -2, 3, you will see it sits perfectly in the middle of the two. That is a great way to check your answer visually. And that is the midpoint formula. Average the x values, average the y values, and you have your midpoint.